Hello friends, welcome to the Coders Universe. Today we will discuss about data structure and algorithm using with JavaScript, and our first lesson will be stacks. Stack is one kind of data structure and algorithm. Let's see what is a stack. What is a stack? A stack is a data structure that follows the last in first out method. This means LIFO, last in first out. This means the last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed. Stacks are often compared to a pile of plates where you can only add or remove the top plate, but you cannot remove or add the plate in lower. Okay, there are many methods in stack like push, pop, pick, isEmpty, size, and clear, and I will discuss every method in this video. Let's jump to the next. Push. My first method is push. Push means add an element to the top of the stack. When you need to add an element, then you use push method, and you can just add it in top. Let's see the code. Here you can see there is an array called item, and stack is one kind of array. Here is push. We push the element to this array, and the item will be the top element. Okay. Next method is our pop. Pop means remove the element from the top of the stack. You cannot remove the last element from the stack. You just can remove top one. Let's see the code. Here is the array to store the element of that stack, and here is pop method called. Here you can see, you check if here is conditions. If the stack is empty, then return a string called stack is empty, or return or remove the top element. Okay, you see here, you remove the top element, but you cannot remove the last element. Our next method is pick. Pick means view the top element without removing it. When we use pop, we just can remove the top element, but when we use pick, then we cannot remove the top element, but we can see what is in the top element. Let's see the code. Here is same array or a stack. There is pick method, and here is checking if the stack is empty, then it returns stack is empty, or it returns the top element. You just view it, but you cannot remove the element. Next, and our next method is empty. In previous two method we use empty method. You remember, in pop and pick we use is empty to checking the stack is empty or not. Now it's that method is empty. It just works for checking the stack is empty or not. The code is here. here is called the isEmpty method, and it's checking the array or stack that it's empty or not. Here our last two method is size and clear. The size works for to calculate the length of the stack, and clear is to remove all the element from the stack, or it just clear the stack. There is the code. The same stack is here, the same code in previous methods, but here you can see the size method. It checks the length of stack, means it's checking the size, and here is called clear to clear all the elements from the stack. Now let's see. You can see here is an empty stack. Now we will discuss about use cases of a stack. Till now we discuss about main methods in a stack now, and now we learn the use cases. Let's see what is the use cases of a stack. Right, undo or redo operation in text editor. When you use text editor, uh, we write something or and we delete it or edit it, and then we think we want the previous one, then we undo or reduce, and stack is use this method to implement in text editor. And then is browser history. We check our browser history to navigate backward or forward. Let's suppose you use Chrome browser, and you open a website, then you close it the tab, and you remember that you need that website, and you just checking your history and history browser history, and you go that website, right? The next one is function call stuff. uh, let's In programming languages where function calls are pushed onto a stack and popped off when in returning. Okay guys, thank you for uh, today's video is closed, it's finished, and thank you for watching. If you if you have a further query, then you comment below, and let's grow together. I'm a learner, you also a learner, and we grow together, and give me some tips or tricks, tips how to implement it. And yeah, thank you guys.